Hey everyone, Alex here with another video today. A little bit more Bola Solutions. This is the Bola Solutions P27 Add Graphene Sealant type spray. Now with this, you want to make sure the car is dry after a wash, obviously. And then you want to shake the product. Like any chemical, you want to give it a good shake. You don't want to use this in direct sunlight as per the directions. So it says couple sprays on the panel and then wipe it with a microfiber. Here I have the Eagle Edges 350 from the Rag Company. So we'll quickly apply it here. I'm doing about 3 sprays or so. And then quickly work it in. Very similar to any other sealant that you would use. Flip that over. So on the Bola bottles, they do have a little bit of a scale. So for the protection, it offers a 4 out of 5 for durability, sorry, a 5 out of 5 for workability, and a 5 out of 5 for hydrophobics. We're gonna keep working that in. We're gonna go around the rest of the car, and I'll actually do a little bit of a hydrophobics test as well on this section that's already kind of cured. And then I'll give you my final thoughts, so stay tuned. So again, a couple sprays. Doesn't have much of a scent, kind of a strong, almost solvent scent, so not the best smelling thing in the world. But that may just be the slight bit of graphene. Now keep in mind, it's not going to be a high concentration of graphene, but there is at least a trace amount for sure. So overall, relatively slick. We're going to keep going around. So it's fine on badges and the plastics, obviously, as well. Flip that over. Good. We'll keep moving on. All right, so I've gone around the car with the Bola Solution Maximizer P27 Graphene Spray Sealant. Pretty good product. Again, earlier I mentioned that it's 4 out of 5 for durability, 5 out of 5 for both workability and hydrophobic. So pretty slick product overall going around the vehicle. Certainly no complaints there. Now for hydrophobics, I've let this panel sit for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna test it with a little bit of I just have a regular bottle of water here. Pour that on there. I figured a vertical panel would be a little bit better. So overall, more of a sheeting product than a beading product, kind of drying into like some tight beads, not as much as a ceramic coating obviously, but still overall pretty good protection. May bead a little bit tighter after it's cured a little bit longer. I'm not sure the exact cure time that it needs, but overall a fun little product. So carzilla.ca, you can pick it up, code BUCKYVW saves you a little bit. So hope everyone has an awesome day and thank you very much.